Good afternoon guys. Tanghali na. Ngayon pa ako mag-start mag-vlog. Yung mga bata nasa school na. And hindi ko sila ginawan ngayon ng lunch kasi meron silang libre ngayon na lunch sa school, yung sausage nga. Tapos kanina may narinig kaming bumagsak. Ayan guys. Hindi naman sobrang hangin compared nung mga nakaraan. Pero sabi ni Jam, baka nung i-chop niya na.
California, the sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without
okay. Turn it off, on. Ayan, tapos na. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, bago i-on yan ni Jan na maingay, yung hangin ngayon, hindi ganun kalakas compare sa mga nakaraang araw. Pero sabi ni Jan, baka that time, ano na talaga siya, na ano na yung sanga ba, na parang nag-crack na? Nag-crack? Ano na?
That one there, clock come off.
Which one?
Rotten one there.
Yeah. So, parang rotten niya. So, ngayon bumagsak. Tapos ngayon, meron siyang, ito parang malapit na rin. So, ano yun yan? Okay. Pumasok na ako kasi malamig yung hangin. And si Jan, kinuha niya na yung mga sinampay doon and tinupi niya na rin. Ayan. Tinupi na ni Jan yung mga sinampay. Alam mo yung pag kumukuha si Jan ng sinampay, tinutupi niya na pag kinukuha niya doon. Yung parang pag nilagay niya dyan sa basket na katupi na. Nag-i-edit pala ako. Nag-i-edit ako. So, buti na lang natanggal yung mga, yung nahulog na ano ba ng puno yung sanga, wala yung mga bata. Kasi lagi kaya siya naglalaro ang mga bata, nagtatakbo-takbo. Buti na lang wala sila. Yung hangin talaga, hindi siya ganun kalakas, pero yeah. Yung mga nakarang araw siguro na ano na siya, nabugbog na siya, tapos hindi lang na ano nun, nahulog. Ngayon siya nahulog. So, tapusin ko lang itong ine-edit ko. Tingnan nyo guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Buti na lang natapos na ni Jan ikat yung ano, yung kahoy. Kasi ang lakas na ng ulan, oh. And naligpit niya na rin yung mga kinat niya. Except dun sa may mga dahon nandun pa sa ano, ground. Ang lakas na ng ulan. Lumakas pa siya lalo. Summer na yan ha. Summer na dito. Pero tingnan niyo yung ulan. Grabe, ang lakas. Dito na yung mga bata. And ako. Naayos ka na dito guys. Pero hindi ko na naon yung camera kasi sabi ko, Mamaya na lang. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo pagtapos na. Hiningal ako. Inalis ko na rin kasi yung mga pinaglalagyan ng mga decor natin.
But you should put the white socks there instead.
No, it's alright. So, we have at least pop-up color there. Gusto ni... You said that one there. The white one. It matched with our Christmas tree. Oh, lasak. Where's my little girl? Dad. So, yan guys. Ito yung last year din yan. Ayan, meron tayo dyan. And, oops. Meron din dito sa kabila. Gray. I'm gonna cook the longganisa and tocino. Lutuin ko na yun. Magluto na ako kasi dapat lutuin ko yun nung isang araw pa, diba? Ngayon matutuloy na ngayon ang pagluluto ko nun. Ginulat ni Saksi. Holy. Galing kasi sa labas si Jan. Sinalubong ni Zach. Tapos Zach nagtago dito. Ginulat niya si Holly. What's that?
Nothing. Mom, we're just throwing a ball to each other.
And what did you do?
And
What happened?
Dad missed and it just hit right.
No ball. No ball.
Sorry, Mum.
No ball.
It's fine.
I told you.
We'll be fine, Mum.
Huh. Ako ha? Hoy, put that. Nag-vacuum ako guys. Zach, the carpet.
What?
The carpet. Put that back. Inutusan ko siyang ilagay niya tong carpet. Ang ginawa, binuksan yung aming fireplace. Nagulugan yung uling. So sabi ko, linisin mo ang kalat mo. There's more here. Lift that one. That gold one. Lift that one. This. And dito rin pala, linagay ko na rin yung decor. That one, lift that gold so you can get those, that one.
Oh, that?
Yeah. I can still see more, Zach. Zach, no, this one. That one. There. No, I'm not happy, but it's not clean yet. There's more. More.
Happy now?
I'm happy now. Thank you. Careful. Si Kuya nag-ride ng bike kasama ang mga friends. Do it properly. Yan lang yung nakalimutan ko ilagay kanina. Na-busy kasi ako mag-decorate dun sa ano natin, dyan ba. And yung hindi ko pa pwedeng yung ating sampayan dito sa loob. Linagay ko lang siya dito sa gilid kasi umuulan. Maglalaba ako bukas. So nilagay ko lang siya dyan sa gilid. Itatago ko na sana kaso diba nakita nyo naman ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Yung TV hindi siya on guys pero nagbi-blink-blink siya no. Siguro sa yan sa light. Right nasa? Huh? I know it's off but what I'm saying it's blinking.
It's just...
Ah. Okay.
I didn't turn it off.
Yeah, off. Okay, thank you.
My fruit today.
What are you having?
A banana.
A banana.
No, not done.
Huh? Done? Missy? Okay, now you can watch TV. Si Holly kumain ng banana. Okay. Kasi kusin ko na yung lulutuin.
I can't even make it.
I'll see.
Oh, see?
Why not? You asked me.
Can you just have gravy? Gravy, babe. Bakit po kasi the bacon's still in the freezer, hon. Kasi hindi ko linabas. Ang plano ko talaga, gravy. Pero tinanong ko pa rin siya. Malay nyo, matsambahan niya. Gravy din ang gusto niya. OC. Next time na lang ang OC topping. Kasi yung OC topping, meron siyang... Hindi pa ako magaling, guys. Hindi ko rin pala nainom yung gamot kagabi. Tsaka kanina. Tubig na lang ulit. Sabi ni Sak, Mom, you're still sick. Sabi Kuya, siya magaling na si Sak. Okay, Han?
What happened to me mango juice too? I got ice and I never got.
You want me to make you?
Not now.
Oh, yeah.
You like me now?
No. Nagpalit ako ng battery, guys. Nalobat tayo. And, nandito pala yung mga pinamili kong ano ni Holly. Ay, sorry. Yung pinamili natin sa Kmart. Ha? Magdadrive na naman yung aking ano.
Come on board.
Asa?
What's mine?
There.
What?
Sure.
Holly, where are you going? Nagiging clingy siya sa daddy niya. Alis kasi ang daddy niya. Hurry up, Pep. Ay, no. Here. Oh, ang laki ng fly.
I'll get it.
Ang laki ng langaw. Ito yung nabili natin sa Kmart. Naglinis kasi dyan ng car. Hindi ko pa pala ito nababa. I'm just showing them what I got from Kmart. So, ito yung bike short. Yeah, bike short to. Ayan. Sana meron sa adult. Size 5 yung kinuha ko. Yan. Yung isa na suot niya na, diba? And eto, ganitong design. Dalawa. Tapos may isang plain. Tatlo. Apat. Ayan. Maganda siya kasi may ganito siya. May design siyang ganito, oh. Sak no chocolate,
What's
okay? Longganisa and tocino.
What's that having?
Schnitzel, the beef schnitzel. We don't have chicken. No, we don't have chicken.
Beef. No.
Yeah, I think that's two. I'm not sure.
I want beef.
Yeah,
'Cause I
alright.
like beef now.
And eto yung t-shirt, may print na smile. Saki, stop opening the door because the fly. Ayan. Size 5 din ang kinuha ko kasi pitit si Holly, diba? And eto, love. Yeah, love ang nakalagay. Siguro dalhin ko to sa sa Melbourne. Kasi magme-Melbourne kami, diba? Ayan. Tapos eto yung isa. Cat. And, ayan. And, eto. So, yan yung mga t-shirt na kinuha ko, tsaka shorts. Sa Kmart, nung nakalimutan natin magdala ng damit ni Holly, at bibili lang tayo ng damit niyang isusot. Pero, ayan. Napa-shopping tayo na di oras. Pero, okay lang naman kasi kailangan naman. Sak! Andun sila sa labas, malamig. Sak! Ay, naku. Kagagaling niya lang. Kinukuha niya si Holly. Kasi si Holly, nagiging siya, guys. Parang clingy sa daddy niya. Umalis si daddy niya. Ayun, nagiging siya. Ayun, karga na ni Sak, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayun. Bumalik. What happened? Huh?
He doesn't want to.
He doesn't want to come home. Oh, come in. Come home. This is home. Pinakuha ko kay Sak yung ating... Ito ba, yung DJI Pocket 2 kasi gusto ko siyang i-try. Kaso, tingnan ko kung meron ako. Sak, I need a scissor sack, please. Hindi pa natin ito na-unbox. Dapat nung isang araw, pero nakakalimutan ko, guys. Ngimi. Thank you. Meron pa ko dyan sa inyong i-unbox yung may nagpadala sa akin na ano kaya yun unbox? Nagluluto na kasi ako. Alas 5 na eh. Hindi pa naman. 4:34. Pero kailangan ko na magluto ng kanin. Pero iniisip kong gusto ko yung may sabaw. Lugaw. Yun. Gusto ko maglugaw din. Kasi nga, ganito pa pagbukas niya. Ayan. Itsura niya sa loob. Nasa, 600 plus siya. 600, parang almost $700. So, paano to? Okay. Yan yung itsura niya. Maliit lang siya. Pwede lang siyang, sa bag ba na maliit. Pwede rin. Meron siyang case. Yan siya, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos, paano itong alisin? Okay. Dito pala sa taas. Ngayon si Holly, nandun siya sa duyan. Yan, meron siya. Ay! Ano to? Phone lang pala siya. So, yan yung itsura niya, guys. Pag-aaralan ko pa to. Ayan, pag-aralan. Ano yan? Tapos, ano ba yung laman niya? Ano ba yung mga kasama niya? Ano to? Wala tong battery, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung ang life ng battery niya ay matagal. Sana mga 1 oras naman. O, meron siya mga maliliit na, parang, wala, dapat di ko ito mawala. Ang liliit pa naman. Meron siyang ganito. Not sure kung saan to. Ayan, basta meron siyang ganyan. Pero, baka, ewan. Ewan. Next, ano na lang. Pag-aralan natin yan. So, yan, meron siyang isa. Dapat di yan mawala. O, meron pang isa. Saan ito ikakabit? Dapat lang ba tayo? Wala akong linagay sa mukha, guys. Wala tayong kilay. Wala. Ano lang, moisturizer lang. Tapos, ayun, meron pang isang ganito. Baka dito yan. Kasi nung pinupul ko siya, natatanggal yan. Not sure. Ayan na si Holly. Dito. Hurry up, Baba. What's wrong with you? Huh? Why are you soaking? And meron siyang ito yung pang charge. So, kailangan naman ito ng yung para sa phone. Na kasi, ayan. Ayan, isasaksak siya doon. So, yan guys. So, we'll see. Tapos, meron pang mga kasama. Ang dami naman itong maliliit na kasama. Maliit nga siya, pero ang dami niya namang, dami niyang ganap. Hindi tulad ng Canon, ng G7X, on and off lang. Eto, ano kaya? Ano to? Okay. Ano siya siguro, guys? Siguro, not sure. Dito siguro to. Paano to? Pag may tripod ka siguro yan. Nakakatayo ba to? Na mag-isa? Nakakatayo naman siya mag-isa, guys. Makatayo siya mag-isa. What's wrong? Tingnan mo ang mukha niya. What's wrong with you? Diba? Wala siya sa mood. What happened? What's wrong? Did something happen at school? Wala naman. Masaya naman siya kanina pagdating niya.
No, I know.
What?
Is that the camera?
Yeah.
That's so small.
Come here. You didn't
I
know?
I know why.
Why?
Because
nakita yung expression ni Sam.
When Holly was massaging the dad, then Holly's gonna have the phone, then dad will go for it.
Alright. Kasi si Sak, minasage niya si daddy niya. Tapos, pinaram sa kanya yung phone. After how many minutes did you massage your dad?
I didn't massage him.
Oh, you didn't massage?
No, I'm gonna massage him tonight.
Tonight. Tonight, you're gonna massage daddy. Oh. Mamaya, imamassage niya si daddy kasi pinaram sa kanya yung phone. Yung mga bata dito, pag may gusto sila, halimbawa, yung phone or manood ng YouTube,
Yeah.
kailangan nilang gumawa ng something kay daddy or sa akin para makapanood sila. Hindi nila pwedeng i-on agad-agad ang YouTube o kaya makakuha ng phone o makahiram ng phone. Lalo na kay daddy niya, pinapamassage talaga sila ng daddy nila. Ayan guys, ayan siya. Ganda. Ang ganda naman. Tingnan natin. Okay? So, yan yung mga kasama niya. And meron din nito. Para hindi siya mahulog. Saan to kinakabit? Wala naman siyang maikakabitan. Dito sa gilid. So, yan. Sige, magluto na tayo. Pero at least nabuksan na natin. Paano ba to i-on? May mga plastic pa pala. Tanggalin muna natin. Chinarge ko yung ating bagong camera. Kasi trinay ko siyang i-on. Hindi siya mag-on. And pinalitan ko rin yung... Diba sabi ko sa inyo, mayroon siyang parang mga maliliit na pinapalit-palitan. Pinalitan ko siya. Pero hindi ko rin siya ma-on. So, sabi ko, charge ko na muna. Okay, magluto muna tayo. Ito yung ano ni John. Ito yung schnitzel ni Johnny Boy.
And me.
And Zachary.
And me.
Feeling ko dalawa yan. Yeah, you can share because that's big. Okay, are you alright now? You're not suki now?
There she was.
Magluto ako ng rice.
Hi.
Meron pa akong nilutong rice kagabi. Ito yung rice. Yeah, I know. It's cold.
Are you just making a new one?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a new one.
Mommy, you want
Okay,
to bring all
okay.
those stuff in there?
No.
Okay.
Huh.
Can you
3.
move them?
What? No, you don't have to remove your... All you have to do is to just pull this up. Yeah. Pull. And then siya na mag... Kita nyo naman siya doon. Yeah. 3 full, okay? 3 cups. Ayan, durugin ko lang to. Magluto rin ako ng mashed potato ni Johnny Boy. How many? 3 baba ha? Just 3. Get your stool so you can wash the rice. Come on.
Wash the rice.
Yeah, you wash the rice para matuto na siya. Magluto ng rice. Dito na yung kanyang stool.
So do I like wash it
Yeah.
and do it with my hands too?
Yes.
Does it have to be hot?
No, it doesn't matter. You can put it down in the washer. And you can use this one. I have a... Binabili ko dito sa Shein, sa style ata to.
Cook.
No, it's alright now. That's it. Because I'm just gonna cook schnitzel and then tocino. That's it. Okay. Where's the cup?
There.
You put it back here?
Yeah.
Don't be scared. Just tip it. Yeah. Okay. Put it, that one on top. There.
Can we scrunch it up?
Yeah. No, it's alright now. It's alright now. Okay. Just shake it. Okay, put that one there. And then 3 cups of water.
Okay,
Ako
just wash
kasi-
my hands.
No, you don't have to wash. Just alright. Hold on.
3 cups of full
Yeah, 3 cups. Full.
or full?
Full. More. Full. Did you put full rice?
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's alright now. One. Two.
Yeah, let me wash my hands. And let it dry it.
Yeah. Open the rice
Move it
cooker.
here.
Yeah. Open the rice cooker.
Open it up.
Press and then put the one.
And
Yeah. Slowly. Then close that. Okay, wait, now we'll switch it up. Okay. Then press this one.
this one.
Yeah. Then press the red one. The red one. And done. Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Hey, can I scratch that one?
So, ito yung ating spicy pork tocino and yung sweet chorizo. Unahin ko muna siguro yung etong chorizo.
Mom, I'm just getting them already.
Mhm.
So I don't need to get them.
Oh no, we have a spoon here, Baba.
Huh? Isn't there paper still on there?
No, that's a skin for longanisa, Baba. It's not paper.
But why does it stick?
No, it won't. Ayan. Mamaya na yung schnitzel ni Johnny Boy. Nag-dry na yung tubig. Ilalagay ko to sa natin, air fryer. So, ayan na yung longganisa natin. Sprayan ko lang ito ng olive oil. Ayan. Humingi siyang pansit. And ako pala, kinain ko kanina,
Wait,
tinapay lang.
Mom's not letting her have her
Fork.
fork. And this is my fork to eat. And this is my side.
Yeah, kasi
And
Mommy
that's
is...
sick. So this is my
Oh,
side.
wait. May tusino. May
Mommy.
tusino. It's popping. Diba? Hindi na tayo nakahintay dito sa tusino. Ayun na. Ayan na rin si Kuya. Doon siya sa side ni Holly. Kagabi, nakalimutan ko. May pansit pala ako. Di ba kagabi, sabi ko wala kaming pagkain. So, kalimutan ko. May tira pa pala akong pansit. Nandito na si Jan naliligo. What's
I
that?
had 2 chickens.
It's alright. It's
But
alright.
it's taking all my
It's alright. There's more chicken. TJ?
Mama. What if you say that? Kuya!
Okay, your turn na, Baba. Nilagay ko pa dito yung tusino para maluto siya ng maigi. Kasi yung kawali ko ay ang itim-itim na. Ayan yung ating ano. Kinuskus ko pa lang to. Ayan, ang itim na ulit siya dahil sa ating tusino. So, linisin ko lang to. Ayan. May pasakit na naman. Ayun yung matanggal. So, lagyan ko siya ng baking soda. Kagabi, grabe yung kuskus ko nito. Ay, hindi kagabi. Kagabi ba yun? Or ng isang araw. Basta kinuskus ko to ng kinuskus din.
Going in the wrong direction.
Grabe yung pasakit na naman nito sa akin. Ayan. Okay na siya. Magaling yung baking soda, guys. Baking soda and water lang. Ay, aray ko. Si Jan, siya yung mag-ano ng ano niya. Pero yan, Nick, dungis. Pero matatanggal din yan pag sinipag ako. Ayan yung potato niya. Sabi ko siya na mag-mash kasi lutuin ko na yung kanyang ano, schnitzel after ko itong hugasan. You didn't drain the water bath?
There's no water in it.
Okay. You sure? No.
That's all.
Where at? Okay. Eto, pwede naman itong malinis pa. Tiyagaan mo nga lang. Pag may time na ako, na-iet. More gatas. Ayan, pinapainit ko na yung ano doon, oil. Hala guys, isa lang pala tong schnitzel. Pero super ano naman siya, super laki. Sabi ko kay Jan, Han, can you cut this please, Han? Cut into 2? Because this is massive.
Yeah, it'll shrink.
Yeah. Pero give some for Zachary because Zachary wants schnitzel as well. I thought it was 2. Ay, bakit na?
Drop it down a bit.
Bakit di kinuha yung gunting? Okay. Kung gunting to, madali lang to. Kaya minsan, mas maganda, wag ka na mag-utos, ikaw na lang gumawa. Ayan. Ay! Aray! Diba? Muntik na tayong maprito. Ayan yung mashed potato. Akala niya schnitzel. You thought this was schnitzel. Kaya ko, no, it's a sponge. Yung pinaglinis ko sa ano, sa kaldero, sa kawali. Ito yung, iba rin kasi yung panlinis namin sa, ayan sa plato. Ito sa pangkuskus ko talaga sa mga ano. Diba? Ang dungis niya na. Dugyot na siya. Lutuan ko rin si Jen ng eggs and meron ditong Turkish bread nasa oven. Ang wala tayo ay yung mixed vegetables. Ubus na pala yun.
La 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 la. Hi, Holly. How you going, sweeties?
Ito yung gravy ni Jen. Ayan, nilagyan niya na ng sangkatutak na pepper. So, ito na yung dinner nila. So, ito na yung kay Sak and ito kay Jan. Wala siyang veggies. Ubusan tayo ng veggies. Oh, ito kay Johnny Boy. Han, ready?
Yeah, come.
And ito pala, nakuha to ni Holly after ng concert, binigay ng teacher nila. Ayan. So, nilalaro niya.
The wind was straight behind me.
And yung mag-aama naglalaro ng golf sa phone.
Dad, look at him. Look at him. He can't get the brain.
No, no. So it's
Why did he get eggs?
Ah, you want eggs? Okay, I can cook you eggs if you want. This is, oh, get your, ano,
Can I have some eggs too, please?
you want eggs as well?
Hard yolk.
Oh.
Mum cooked.
Oh, look, it's Zachary.
Cook for you? Sir, sir. Welcome. Babe, look at your eggs. Nice, no? Ha? Yeah. Gusto niyang ganyan ang eggs. Yung runny yung top, pero toasted yung ilalim. Ganyan, oh. Tapos na si Sak. Si Jan na lang. Si Kuya kanina po naghihintay sa fried rice na. Niluluto ko na yung fried rice. Si Oli naglalaro lang dyan. Upload ko na tong aking vlog. Ayan, okay na siya. Ipapublic lang natin. And, okay. Nood na kayo guys kung hindi nyo pa ito napanood. Tapos na si Jan kumain. Kumuha siya ng ice. Yung mango shake niya bukas na lang kasi may dessert pa dyan, diba? And ito yung ating fried rice. Feeling ko kay Kuya lang to guys. Feeling ko kay Kuya lang tong fried rice natin. Baba! Hoy! Are you gonna eat now? No? Hoy, marami siya nakain na pansit. Si Kuya naman ang papakainin ko. Ayan, ito kay Kuya. Kinat ko pala yung kanyang tosino. Kasi malalaki. Kuya, oh!
Yes.
You're welcome. Good luck.
I don't want to eat. Anyways, I got it right now.
You ready to eat your
Mommy,
dinner?
look. There's the chairs, and I can turn them
What do you need?
Sauce?
Vinegar?
Please.
Ito yung vinegar na request ni Kuya. Here you go, yeah. Welcome. Han, ano na news, babe?
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay?
Huh?
The rice and this.
What's that? The tosino? You're gonna have the fresh rice now.
No, I want the fried rice.
I want fried rice too. Here you go.
Thanks.
Welcome. Ano na yan? Yung fresh rice na yan. Kasi yung may konti na lang natira doon na ano. Fried rice. Akin yun. Mamaya.
Yeah, I get that. 3 go.
It's hot, Kuya. The rice is hot. Tapos na si Kuya kumain. Ang dami niyang nakain. And pinapanood nila si Daddy naglalaro ng ng ano ba yun, ng golf. Later na ba? Mag-ice cream na agad sila. Ako nagpapahinga-hinga lang. Ayan, mag-i-edit ako. Mag-i-edit ulit kasi nga vlogmas, diba? So mag-i-edit ako. Maghuhugas pa pala. And si Jan alis yan mamaya.
They don't like it, but I like it.
You like that watermelon?
Yeah.
What flavor did you get, Holly?
Banana.
Banana? How about Zaki? Where's Zach?
What do you have in banana?
No, passion fruit.
What are you having on? You're not? I thought you're gonna have the sticker
I thought you
rice.
don't like that, Zach.
Ito na, tingnan niya si Zach. Inaalok niya ako. Ayan yung kanya. Look at Zach's ice cream, babe.
I got 2 golden gate ones because no one eats it.
Yeah, mayroon siyang Golden Gate. Yung cubes lang. Yung bite size. It is sticky rice. Ayan yung ice cream ni Zach.
Here, use a bowl. That's fake. It's been photoshopped. No, I've never seen anywhere like that.
What that happens at the talent show? Buy a new strap. I can't buy a new strap in smoke. But hey, we'll rock that talent show as long as we stay focused.
That's enough, Baba. I think that's too much.
30 seconds, Holly, no.
That's too much, Baba.
Too much. It looks like it's not enough, but it actually is for you.
That's enough. Marunong na yan si Holly sa microwave. 3-0, Baba. Ha? Ah, yung fried rice ko. Yeah, I put my fried rice there. Kasi mamaya kakain din ako.
You tell me the numbers, okay, Mommy?
3-0. And then start.
What?
3-0.
3.
0.
Stop.
What am I gonna do? That computer
And start.
has my homework on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Ayan, nilagyan niya na ng cream. Ayan na siya.
Ready for your camp?
Is it good?
And then you're cleaning up.
May cream na yan. Diba, daming guto mo, Baba?
Don't jinx it. It's fine.
Are you done? That's it? My God.
What? No. You're greedy.
No.
Some for us.
Save some. How many you got there?
100 episodes behind.
One more.
Watch them all.
Huh? Nakaligo na sila, guys. Time check is, ano na, 8:15. Meron daw siya ipakita sa inyo. Go, Baba. Tan, 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 tan. Who drew that? Don't move, Baba. So,
Me.
who's that one? Is that me?
No, it's me. It's an elf on the shelf.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, siya nag-drawing. Ang galing ni Holly mag-drawing,
And you know what
guys.
he's sitting on? A
What?
shelf with a present.
Ah, a shell with a present.
Yeah. And look, what's this? Starts with a duck.
Duck.
Duck. He's watching the duck and the pond.
Oh, yan drawing yung may story pa. Nakaupo raw sa bench na may regalo. Tapos,
Because you know what?
pinapanood yung mga duck sa sapa. Oh,
I
diba?
drew it.
I know. Well done, babe. Have you seen this?
Yeah.
This? Really good, no?
Yeah.
Good job, my love. Okay, let's close the vlog. Close na namin vlog. Hindi pa ako makain. Mamaya lang sila ako kakain. Mag-edit pa.
Thank you guys.
You have to look here.
Thank you guys for watching our vlogs. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Good night. Thank you, guys. Yun lang yung ganap natin today.
No, sunroof.
The sunroof.
It's
Stop.
blasting out favorite tunes.
Probably just forgot.
Blasting.
Is mind blowing that big zoo aquarium? Hey guys, how was your gut?
Does